Hello friends, today I am showing new potato recipe and it is the snacks recipe and very tasty and very healthy recipe and very easy way making recipe. Watch full this video and you will get learn, and so those who are new visitor, please give subscribe, like, share and comment. So now let's start. Here I have taken two medium sized potato and remove the skin properly. See the friends, this the potato skin removed the properly and now cutting small size. And cutting has done, and we'll go to the next step. And this potato boil properly. And here is the next step, and potato boiled properly, and now this boiled potato smashed well properly. See the friends, this boiled potato smashed well properly, and now added black pepper powder and salt to taste. Black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. After added 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. Then after added 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Then after added parsley leaves, chopped parsley leaves, and now smashed well properly. And now all things mixed well properly, and now we'll go to the next step. And now added the 1 egg, and now added salt to taste, and now beaten well properly. And beaten has done, and now we'll go to the next step. Here I've taken a fresh pan and now added 1 tablespoon refined oil, and now this oil become a hot, and now added the sliced onion cutting, and fry well, little bit fry. See the friends, this is the onion color, fry onion color, and then after added mozzarella cheese, and now mixed well properly. And now fry has done, and now added the onion and cheese add into the potato, and now mixed well properly. mixed has done properly, and then after added breadcrumbs, little bit breadcrumbs, and now mixed well properly. And now this potato become a cold for half an hour. And here is the next step, and already I have added the oil on my plum, and now the potato properly mixed, and now the make a round shape. See the friends, this is the properly shape, and make a one by one. See the friends, this properly has done and make a round shape and good looking, and these things refrigerator keep in 2 hours. Now I come back after 2 hours, and here added 1 tablespoon refined oil, and fry has done, and this the become a golden color. See the friends, fry has totally done, and now this is the ready for serve. One cutting I will show you, and this is the more crispy. See the friends, this is the part inside and looking very nice. So if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.